Imagine making money even while you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2026, passive income is becoming one of the smartest ways to build wealth. The best part is you don't need to be rich to start. With the internet and smart investing, beginners can also create multiple income streams. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful passive income ideas that beginners in the USA are using right now. The first passive income idea is investing in ETFs. ETFs are one of the safest ways beginners can start investing in the stock market. Instead of buying a single stock, an ETF lets you invest in many companies at once. This reduces risk and helps your money grow over time. Many investors simply invest monthly and let their money compound. The second option is a technology-focused ETF. Technology. Companies continue to drive global innovation. From artificial intelligence to cloud computing, investing in a tech ETF allows beginners to benefit from the growth of major tech companies without needing to pick individual stocks. Another strong option is a dividend ETF. These funds invest in companies that regularly pay dividends to investors. That means you can potentially earn passive income while also benefiting from long-term stock market growth.